It's going to improve our voice quality. So let's unbox it. Big scissor. Cut it. Cut it like to cut your vegetables. Yes. Take it out. This is a hard box. Yeah, so I got the order details down here. And let's see the actual product. So here's the actual product, grenaro mic. So I brought this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description down below. I brought this for 1,700 rupees. So let's unbox this. So it's a really great mic, and that's I'm seeing it only now. Yeah. So this is the actual products. You're thinking these are earbuds. No, these are not earbuds. This is the mic. This is the mic, guys. This is a small mic which is going to help us in the recording of our videos. And this is the transmitter chip. We're going to plug this in our phone and transmit it. And this is not all the products. We got another box. Let's see what's in there. Let's just take it out. And yeah. Now we'll just take this out of the parcel. Just use my scissors because it's too tight. Yeah. Now we got some other products, like let's keep this from this aside. Now let's unbox this. So we got one C-type charging cable to charge this, and we got two types of chips. This chip is for the iPhone. It goes on to the transmitter, and from the transmitter it goes to the iPhone. This is the iPhone pin, and there's another. So now I plugged the transmitter in the phone. So let's on the mic. Long press the side button given here. Yeah, now it's connected. The light is green. So now this is my voice with the mic. Now I recorded that in the whispering tone. So now I off it out, and let's see how. So here it is. So now I recorded both the voices with the mic and without the mic. So let's just see how good it looks, how good it sounds. So hey guys, welcome to Toopran Sri Watsalya. I am Toopran Sri Watsalya. So today we are going to be unboxing the new mic which I bought from Amazon. But where is the product? It seems to be lost. Cut.